Hi everyone, I appreciate you stopping in. I have a late arrival. I have my Eyescream Beauty box, and this is the February box. I know they sent out an email. There was I think one of their vendors had an issue, so shipping late. I think it was more personal issue, shipping late product to them, so their box was late. It is March 4th. I still don't have the February Eyescream Beauty bag. I think that decided it wanted to go on a vacation and just travel the United States. It's like bouncing it was on the East Coast and then wound up back Midwest somewhere, and I think it's back on the East Coast. I have no idea if it's out for delivery today, but we'll do the box for February. I know this is probably old news, but I'll still share it with you guys. Love always wins for February. I will share, sometimes I forget, most times I forget. Today I'm wearing the e.l.f. Super Slick Balm, and this is in Black Cherry. It looks like super dark, like almost like a brown, but it's not. It's actually very wearable, very nice. I have another one. I think it's Jam and Jelly or Jelly. Yeah, Jam and Jelly. It's more pink toned, but I figured, let's go for this one today. So Eyescream Beauty box always comes packed like this. It's $25 a month. And you get 5 beauty products. You do get a palette. Just have to get rid of some of these out of here so that I can see what's in the box. Okay, so first item is from Bo Babe Beauty, and this is a coral blush. Is that the right price? How do you open this? Oh, this way. Is it sealed? Yes. Try not to destroy the box. But sometimes it happens. Is this the... Do I have this? $42. I mean, beautiful packaging. I don't know if it's worth $42. I never get these open. Push on them. They're tight at first. Well, that is bright. Right there, that's a coral. I will not be keeping that. $42. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of blush, though. That'll last you a lifetime. I probably will not keep that. I just did a reorganization, and I have way too much, so I probably will not be keeping that. What is this? Oh, we have 2. Let me just make sure. Yeah, it looks like we have 2 for $42. Blush and blush to go. Okay, that makes a little bit more sense. Let's see, and this one looks like a pink tone. That was coral. This, how do you come out? Okay, you don't want to come out. I can't get it out of the... Okay, what's the secret? I'll push it through. I mean, it won't come out of the box. Okay. So then we have another one, tinier one. How is this? Oh, no mirror. And this is a pink. I might keep the small one. Would you like a good pink blush? I will not keep the other one, the coral. I'm not big on the corals, but I like the pink. So that's a $42 value. So that's the combination of. Next thing I see is from Floss. This is my new favorite lip gloss. And this is ATH Opaque Finish. Let's see. Floss has some nice products. Oh, that's really pretty right there. Let's see. I love a good gloss, a good balm. Well, that lays down some good color. Right there, like a nice pink. Love me some pinks. Okay, happy for that. Let's find it on the card. Floss. $16. Not glittery, not glittery, not sticky, and not grimy. Okay, that's nice to know. What do we have here from Estate Cosmetics? This is Sonic Space-Bound Highlighter, $12. Ooh, right there. That's, for a highlighter, that's a strange highlighter color. And it looks like there's a, I don't know if you guys can see that. Almost looks like there's a fingerprint in there, but it's probably just the way it shipped. I mean, that's pretty, but I don't think I would use that for a highlighter, and that has too much shimmer in it for me. So I will probably share that. And what else I have? This is from Charmacy. $12 double-sided duochrome eyeliner. How do you open? Trying to. Okay, we'll just slip the top. See if I can get it out. It is sealed, wrapped up. So I'll just open one end. So this is a double-sided. Oh, really? Okay. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, that's a pretty purple. I would assume purple since this it's interior. Ooh, that like bounced right off. Okay, let's see what this side is. That's a pretty purple. Ooh. Oh, and that is a duo. Oh, do I have to keep that? I think I have to keep that one. I was going to share it. Whoa. Do you see that? It's like brown, purple. Wow. Oh, I like that. And I like that it's retractable. I'm not a fan of the felt tip side, but I like that for an eyeliner. That's pretty. Back in there. I tell you how much that was. $12. And then the palette is right here. I want to get these peanuts out of the way. And this is Wicked Widow Lovesick. Wicked Widow is the brand. $36. Took the cover off. Pretty. Open like a book. No, it opens up and down. Not really my jam. Right here. I get the, you know, some of the pink purpley tones. It's just not me. It has a nice mirror. It's a nice small palette if that's what you like. I don't mind palettes like that. That is $36. So not bad. We have a blush duo in coral and pink. The beautiful duochrome purple, like a brown right there. I don't know if it's flipping for you guys. Great lip gloss. Like, I'll keep the pink, the lip gloss. The highlighter I'll share. It's too much. The coral blush I'll share, and then I'll share this too. Not something I will use, but not horrible. I mean, if you're starting out with a collection, you're starting out in makeup, regardless of your age, this is a good one to get just to get used to using products. I mean, they're still like very good palettes, and you get most times like a pretty rounded box, I think. Oh, I have a hair that's driving me crazy. Pretty rounded box. You get a palette, you get highlighters, you get blush, you know, eyeliner, lip gloss. Like, you really can't go wrong. Oh, I see the hair. Ugh, losing hair all over the place. So I'm usually a fan of Eyescream Beauty. Usually I love the bag or I love the box. Rarity do I love both, but this is not bad. So hopefully when I finally do get the bag for February, that it's halfway decent since I had to wait. It's already March. But I'm excited for that liner. If you have purple on, ooh. So I can't wait to try that. I mean, I don't have, I'm trying to think if I have anything purple that's clean. I would love to put that on today just to see. But let me know your thoughts. Do you get any of the products from Eyescream Beauty? I think you can't go wrong with either one, the box or the bag. And thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next one.